Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to handle questions on the topic indices and logarithm, but most we are going to start with indices, whereby I'm going to give you an introduction on indices so that when we get down on the questions it's going to be easy for you to handle it. So the topic is indices. That is the topic. It's called indices. So for you to handle indices, you have to know two things, that is power and base. You should be in a position to know what a power is and what a base is. Before I go on, another name for power is index, that is in singular, and then in plural it is indices. So that is why the topic is called indices. So let's say you've been given an expression 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's say this is an expression. How can you write this equation in power form? So you are going to count the number of times 2 appears. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number 2 is appearing is 5 times. So you are going to pick only 1, 2, only 1, 2, that is 2, and then how many times is 2 appearing? 5 times. So in this case 2 is the base and 5 is the power. How do we read these? We read these as 2 raised to 5. I hope you've gotten it. Now that we are done with the power and the base, we go next to the laws of indices. They are quite a number, but I'm going to break them down so it's going to be easy for you to understand. So the easiest and the simplest one, I'm going to start with the multiplication law. So the multiplication law states that, let's say you've been given a raised to n times a raised to m. It's going to give us, so in this case we are going to only pick one base. So in this case we are going to pick a, and then what are we going to do to the powers? The powers are m and n, so we are going to add the powers, so n plus m. In short, in a multiplication law we are going to add the powers. We go to the next one, that is the division law. The division law, let me say maybe you've been given a raised to n again, divided by a raised to m. This one can also be written as a raised to n over a raised to m. So anytime you are given the two, it means the same thing. It's all about